The Romulan's name was Dr. Vellek, one of the greatest scientists of his day.
Spoiler warning. Captain Michael Burnham of the USS Discovery is sent on a mission to an 800-year-old Romulan vessel that houses the possessions and bones of a long-dead Romulan scientist named Dr. Vellek in Star Trek Discovery Season 5, Episode 1, Red Directive. Since Star Trek: The Next Generation takes place in the 24th century, Vellek has been interred in his ship. Key information about the galaxy's greatest treasure can be found in Dr. Vellek's notebooks. This artifact is a mysterious, powerful, and old one that the mysterious Dr. Kovich of the United Federation of Planets is working to recover before the evil Maul and Lack get their hands on it. Following in the footsteps of his recently departed archaeological professor, Professor Galen, Captain Jean-Luc Picard, Patrick Stewart, embarks on a trail that Galen had long been investigating in Star Trek: The Next Generation, Season 6, Episode 20, The Chase. With Klingon and Cardassians pursuing the same enigmatic objective, Picard forges a precarious partnership and finds clues that point to the deserted planet Vilmer 2. But when they arrive, a group of Romulans has defeated them, and Picard, Lieutenant Commander Worf, and Dr. Beverly Crusher, along with Klingon and Cardassian delegates, beam down. In the 5th season opener of Star Trek Discovery, we learn more about Dr. Vellek, one of those Romulans.
They created life as we know it.
Subscribe to Movie Spy for more twist videos. In The Chase from Star Trek TNG, who was Dr. Vellek? The TNG link for Romulan Dr. Vellek is revealed in Star Trek Discovery. In The Chase from Star Trek: The Next Generation, Dr. Vellek, a Romulan scientist, is part of the crew that has already reached Vilmer 2. This establishes the connection between Discovery Season 5 and TNG. Rather than participating in the joint venture with the Federation, as the Klingon and Cardassians did, the Romulans just kept an eye on communications while the USS Enterprise moved from location to location, revealing hints at each stop that pointed to the next. A hologram of an ancient humanoid, Salome Yentz, reveals to everyone in the room that their race is the source of life on Earth, meaning that all humanoid species have a common progenitor known as the progenitors, according to Star Trek Discovery. The collaboration that got them this far is abandoned by the Klingon and Cardassians, who reject the notion that they are connected at all. However, the Romulans, who reached Vilmer 2 by effectively copying the Federation's homework, get in touch with Captain Picard in the hopes of forging a partnership with the Federation. Because in the 32nd century of Discovery, Dr. Kovich already knows what's been classified for centuries. When he tells Captain Burnham about Vellek's own discovery of the progenitors' technology, it is implied that Vellek had been in contact with the Federation while leading the search for the progenitors' technology in the 24th century. Why Star Trek? Discovery's greatest treasure is the progenitors' technology. A few thousand years ago, we'd have called them gods. The greatest prize in Star Trek Discovery is the technology of the progenitors, since it not only has the ability to generate life practically from scratch, but also provides solutions to philosophical and scientific queries regarding the nature of life as we know it. The discovery of progenitor technology has the potential to drastically transform society by providing a deeper explanation for the motivations of the ancient humans than that provided in Star Trek: The Next Generation. The user of progenitor technology might become the most potent force in the galaxy with that type of knowledge and creation power, particularly if that creation power also contains the ability to destroy. Dr. Vellek, a Romulan from Star Trek Discovery's Red Directive episode from Season 5, recognized the value of protecting knowledge about the progenitors and their technology. Attempting to prevent the whereabouts of progenitor technology from falling into the wrong hands, Vellek kept a non-hackable paper diary and concealed it inside a Romulan puzzle box that was concealed behind a cloaked vault on his Romulan ship from the 24th century. Even so, Dr. Vellek's journal is only a hint that sets off Star Trek Discovery's intergalactic treasure hunt, which has the power to permanently alter the cosmos, rather than the prize itself.